The next step is to add code to this part type combo box so that when you select a part type, it shows only those parts. So if you select fastener, it would only show fasteners in the part dropdown. If you select handle, it would only show the handle parts. To do that, I'm going to put code on here. So I'll click on this combo box to select it, and then we'll right click and view code. That creates a change event procedure, and that would run every time something changed in that combo box. So if you started typing the word fastener instead of selecting it from the drop-down list, this code would run every time you type a letter. We don't want that. Instead, we're going to the procedure drop-down and select from the top here, after update. And I'll get rid of this change procedure and click here between the private sub and end sub lines in the after update procedure. There's code for this after update event in the appendix of the user guide. So I'm going to copy that. So here's the user form with combo boxes CBO type after update code. Select everything except the private sub and end sub. So starting with on error, go down to me CBO part, Control C to copy, and go back to the user form. With the cursor in between the private sub and end sub, I'll Control V to paste. There's all the code, and again there's a green line that has a comment in it. This code will take the value that you just selected in the part type combo box and put it into that criteria range in the second row, the first column. So that's where the value goes. And then based on the parts lookup range, it does an advanced filter and it puts the applicable values into the extract range. Then it changes the size of that table based on what's in that list right now, and it resets the CBO part row source so that it is str list, which is part cell list. So we'll go back and look at our user form again, view object. I'm going to save the file. And in the next step, we'll be doing some testing.